surface, I recommend you to create a new layer for all the surface and the curves that we will create the surface from. So you always in tab view 2, so it will be kind of a 3D curve. Intersection to you have to snap this point using the option to calculate intersections. So we're getting a very nice surface here. It's a 3 by 3 degree. They are more or less like a horizontal. Then when we improve a little bit the surface, maybe we get a little bit of curvature in some point, but they should look the over. And as you can see, we all having these problems in the back area. We have like 4 millimeters deviation, so